No! How?
You're still banged up from Space Beast. You can't go. You can't beat that thing.
Mother, I'm captain of the Star Voyager, a Solari. I can't let Father go down.
Humanity can't lose again.
If I die today, at least I die fighting.
Critical hull breach. Cockpit pressure dropping. Cockpit pressure dropping.
This is your future. Despair. Pain. Death. You're nothing but meat, and will tear you apart, piece by piece.
Orion, this is it. If I don't do something, we're all dead.
This ring?
This is enough for me. Seeing you one last time. I'll hold them off.
Go. Survive.
Time's up, Solari girl.
Orion?
I'm a Solari too.
What the hell?
아래를 클릭해서 구독하고 전체 버전을 시청하세요.